A for apple. Apple means save. B for ball. Ball means गेंद. C for cat. Cat means बिल्ली. D for dog. Dog means कुत्ता. E for elephant. Elephant means हाथी. F for fish. Fish means मछली. G for grapes. Grapes means अंगूर. H for horse. Horse means घोड़ा. I for ice cream. Ice cream means आइसक्रीम. J for jug. Jug means जग. K for kite. Kite means पतंग. L for lion. Lion means शेर. M for mango. Mango means आम. N for nest. Nest means घोंसला. O for orange. Orange means संतरा. P for parrot. Parrot means तोता. Q for queen. Queen means रानी. R for rat. Rat means चूहा. S for sun. Sun means सूर्य. T for tiger. Tiger means चीता. U for umbrella. Umbrella means छाता. V for van. Van means गाड़ी. W for watch. Watch means घड़ी. X for X means tree माने टिरी. Y for yak. Yak means yak. Z for zebra.